So in this video, I'm going to be taking a first look at the Site123 website builder, tell you guys what I think about it, show you a little bit about how it works, and help you decide whether it's the right tool for you to use to build your website with. I'm Tim from RealWebsiteHints.com, and it's my mission to help you find the best and easiest ways to build great-looking websites. If you're interested in getting Site123, you can actually go ahead and try it out for free using the link down below, and that link may help to support this channel, so I appreciate your support. So what is Site123 and what is its sort of main feature? Well, the main feature of Site123 is building a one-page website. You can build sort of a multi-page website with Site123, but its sort of main core functionality, the thing that it does best, is making one-page websites. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a quick look at the website that I built with Site123. So here's the website here. As you can see, you can just scroll down and see the various different images. I built a portfolio website. This is sort of the type of website that I'm using right now to test all of these different website builders. And if you want to know what my top recommendations are for website builders, definitely check out my top website builder review, and I'll link to that at the top of this video. As you can see, it's actually not a bad looking website. Got this portfolio section. You can click through and look at the different portfolios that I've set up here. It's all on this one page using these sort of tabs. And actually what the menu does up here in this configuration of this website is it actually just zooms down between the different sections that I've built on this home page. And now you can control whether or not you have a one-page website or a multi-page website, and you actually do that in the settings over here. You go to settings, website type, single page here, or multi-page. And in my experience of using Site123 so far, I definitely think that the single page website builder is what it does best, because all it's basically doing is, if you use the multi-page, is it's just taking this section, like this portfolio section here, for example, and it's just putting just this one section on another page. And there's not really much additional content that you can add to different pages. So the home page is kind of the only place where you can add multiple different sections to a page. All of these individual sections, if you add them as their own page, basically wind up just being this individual section, maybe with some added text or something like that. But basically the strength of Site123 is making one-page websites. Now, if you want to add a new section to this home page, you actually click on this button here that says Pages. It's a little bit confusing because, in my opinion, it doesn't actually make a different page. What it does is it adds a new section to your website. So if you click Add New Page, you get all these different styles of pages, or basically sections on the home page that you can add. And I do like this idea in website builders of having these sort of pre-made blocks that you can use and work with, rather than having to sort of drag and drop and build the entire design yourself. You've got these pre-made blocks, and if they work for the content that you have, that's great. So for example, if we selected this Teams block here, it's going to add it to the bottom of my website. There it is here. And then we can click on this Manage Page Settings, and then you can add or remove these items. You can also click on each one, and here's where you control the content that's in this block or page, as they're calling it. So you can change the name here. You can change the title, and you can choose to upload an image. And if you add in this sort of more info section, that's what's going to show up on this main page. And if you add into this long description, it's actually going to add a second page. So this is sort of how you would add different pages to it. But you don't really have any additional control besides being able to add picture blocks or text or paragraph styling. And I'll show you what I've done with these tools in a moment. Let's just go ahead and save this. So now we've got this little Read More button here. I've changed this now from a 4-column layout to a 3-column layout just by deleting that one section. If we click Read More, this sort of takes us to a separate page that has that content that I added in here. And if we go over to Case Studies that I've built, if we click on Learn More here, here's one of the pages that I was able to build with Site123. And so it's very basic. It's just a very basic sort of text editor where you can add in just basically your text. You can add inline video like I've done here. You can add inline images. But if you want to do multiple columns or any sort of more advanced style page design, you can't do that on your separate pages. Basically, the only place where you can have any sort of advanced design like that would be on your home page, where you can add all of these different pages, which I would call sections, to your website. So that's something to keep in mind. But I do think if you want to build, a very basic one-page website and you want to get it done quickly, Site123 might be a good choice. You might also want to check out Jimdo. It's something that I've been really pleased with, and sort of the more I test website builders, the more impressed I am with it, because it adds a lot of the same kind of functionality as Site123, the sort of same kind of content blocks that you can add, but you get a little bit more design, styling, and choices out of each one, and you can use those different blocks on actual different pages rather than just this sort of one-page layout. So I'll link to that first look tutorial at the top of this video and down in the description below. So I don't really have much more to say about Site123 at this point. I do think if you're looking to make a one-page website, it's definitely something that you should look into. You can make a one-page website really quickly with Site123. It's already set up for that, so all of your menu items that you click up here automatically go to that section on your homepage. But if you want to build websites with multiple pages and have some more design options, you might want to look at some other reviews that I've done and also at the top recommended website builders that I've created. So if you want to check out Site123 for yourself, I've got a link down below. You can try it for free. As you can see here, there's some different options for the style of what you want your web page to look like. It is pretty limited. There aren't very many different options with each of the pages or modules as far as the look of them. But if you do like the look that you're seeing here, you can make a website really quickly using Site123. So thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think. If you've used Site123 before, tell me what you think about it down in the description below. And if you've got some other website builders that you've used that you've liked, let me know about those down in the description below also. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.